Where are we going? Should we open one? Should we open one while we're riding?
No.
I think we're gonna. We're gonna open one. Is that cool? We're gonna do one. Let's see what we got. Salandit, Electrike, Larvitar, Magnemite, Trevenant, Clodsire, Grumpig. Ooh. Got a big one. You like that?
Yeah.
Awesome. Should we do one more?
No.
I think we should. For you. For you. That got a big one. It's pretty sick. That